Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. It's about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty and treating yourself, okay? As a working mother, as a woman, as a mom, as a person. So, I already got into this yesterday. I'm wearing some of it on my eyes, actually. I will comment on one of the products. I'm like, this is not just glow, it's a little bit of oil, and I don't know what's up with my skin. Okay, we're gonna do my Paid For Ipsy unboxing. I know my last video was the PR one, but that's just how things are. And then my next one will be the spoilers. But yeah, if you do want to sign up for Ipsy, I don't get glam back. I only pay for Boxycharm By Ipsy, and then Icon Box. Only thing I'll tell you is it's gonna be Lisa Vanderpump from Vanderpump Rules. Don't watch the show, but I know about it barely. But yeah, so if you're interested in signing up for Ipsy and like treating yourself, picking out some products for yourself, makeup, hair, skincare, I would click the link down below to get some money off, and then it also shows supporting me, so and supporting this channel. Okay, so I did choose 3 of these products, and also the boost item you can switch out. It's $15 extra a month. So I'll show some of the products I'm wearing today. So one product I'm not wearing today though is this brand Renair Blede. It's a face palette. It says on your face contour and color trio Adorada. The packaging is really cool, but this was something that was chosen for me. And then roses on the inside, and then I'm gonna be quiet because my kid's right there. And then pin-up style tattoos. But like, does this not look like an eyeshadow? Like 2 eyeshadows? Like, how am I gonna? Like, how is this gonna fit? Seriously. Like, and then for a highlighter, like these look like some eyeshadows, and then the bronzer. Let me swatch it though. It's like a glowy blush, so it's pretty. And the highlighters, like, so bronzer, highlighter, blush. Those are pretty, but yeah. I don't know how that's gonna fit, so it's more like an eyeshadow palette, but it is cute. And then I am wearing everything else except for the skincare product because it's retinol. I'm wearing the Lunar Beauty Moonshroom palette, the face palette. I do like Lunar Beauty. It's Manny Nway's brand. If you're not familiar with him, he is like one of the OG YouTubers. I love all his makeup moons. I'm wearing this on my eyes and kind of shaped like an eyeshadow palette, barely like. But yeah, I'm wearing the pink on my eyes, and then this in my inner corner and my cheeks. It's really pretty. And it comes with a mirror, which is nice. Like, look at that. I'm wearing that on my eyes today. I really blended it, but still. Like, that is some pigment. It's almost like, it's like a pink to gold. That shine. They're really, really, really soft and smooth. And I'm not seeing like a lot of kickback to them. I don't know how many to use because they're kind of dark. Well, actually 3 of them. The only thing I don't like about face palettes is like, but I can use this on my eyes. Like, they're very reflective and pretty. It's gonna take me forever to use this up, but the packaging is so cute. I'm wearing I've never tried anything from this brand. This is the Kimchi Beauty Drag Queen. It is a powder. Look how big this is. It's supposed to be pink, but I'm not really seeing like a pink. Like, this is like a purple. But I'm wearing it under my eyes today. I did not use my reusable eye patches that I really like. As you can see, I use them because there's makeup on them. But I like putting on eye cream after my sunscreen and then putting those on. I noticed a difference because like my under eyes, like, I don't know if you can see, like, that's just like, but this powder actually is really smooth, and I've been wearing this all day. It always breaks up here. Like, it's kind of weird here, but it is really smooth. My lip tinted concealer. We're getting all up close and personal. You see every pore, but looks a teeny bit drying, but not like that, you know. I could use it to set. Actually, do that right now. Blot. Only thing, this thing is huge, so I'm not gonna fit it in like a makeup bag. You get 0.85 ounces, 24 grams. Oh, I wanted to show how it was wrapped. So it was wrapped in this cute tissue paper. It almost reminds me of like a cupcake. And then it came in this really cute box that I ripped into like an animal. And it's in the shade. So it's the Kimchi Chic Puff Puff Pass Set and Bake Powder in the shade. Oh, it's Lavender. So it's kind of like a purple. let's watch that too. Then you get this ginormous puff, and then I took off the sticker. It's kind of like a pinky purple, and then it feels really, really smooth. Like even my under eyes right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Kind of like purple, and then this, it's really soft. But I'm gonna try to. It's very pigmented. I used it to set my eyeshadow primer. It is really brightening too, but okay, we're gonna have to pat that out. Like, I'm not used to getting oily, but my skin has been, I don't know, changing. And then I kind of like wipe it away with the brush. But yeah, it was very smoothing and brightening today. That might just be a me thing because I've been wearing this makeup all day. I don't know what that is. Like it's catching on something, but you can see the powder because it's really light. It doesn't look shiny anymore, but yeah, when you get it ball close. Okay, still playing with that. I am wearing the Ciate London Dewy Skin Glass Glow Skin Tint in the shade 10. Before you could see it was oily. It is slightly kind of tacky, not a lot, but it was nice coverage. I didn't see it actually settling here, which is usually what happens. Pretty packaging, like little raised teardrops or like whatever. And then yeah, I didn't know how the shade was gonna be, but I swatch it on my knuckle. It's not super light. I have more of like an olive skin tone, but yeah, it's very hydrating, not drying at all, which my skin right now like is a normal kind of combo. But yeah, there's that looks like. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything weird. And I just blended it in with a brush today. Really like buffed it in. But yeah, it's nice. I don't know if you're oily if you'd like it, because it is really glowy. Most foundations are not glowy on me. Even if they say it, they are. Used to be dry skin. And then I got another shade of this. I got the peach one in my PR box. And then I got the, why does that say the, so I got peach in my PR box, and then I got the pink in my, like, so you see all that glow besides the highlighter? That is from this. In my pay for box. And you can lock it too. My PR one, I don't know if you saw, but you can lock it so it doesn't get all messy in there. It's a little poof, but there is the pink. It looks a little dark when I was first putting it on, but then it just blends out and very glowy and pretty. So really like that. And last but not least, I'm so tired, sorry. Last but not least, this was my my boost item, my beauty boost item for $15 extra. I got this $100 Murad Resurgence Retinol Resculpt Overnight Treatment. It feels pretty heavy. Specially formulated encapsulated retinol is tested and proven for 2.5 times enhanced delivery versus regular retinol for higher efficiency. Higher strength replenishing treatment for face and neck delivers a rehydrated, firmer, and resculpted look while being gentle enough for daily use. Apparently they did a study. Let me open this. Ooh, I was using tretinoin, but I only had a little sample size, but I actually didn't have any issues with it, but I think I had a lower dose from Dermatica. Yeah, but this is, I think it's, yeah, it's glass, but like, it's really pretty. I will start using that. All right, so that is everything that I got for my paid for box. Sorry that's coming up. Well, I don't know if this one is late, but sorry my PR boxing was late, but there's just been a lot going on, as well as I got it late. I'm happy I got it. I'm happy to do spoilers. I'm excited to do spoilers. They're not on the website yet, but they're all over Instagram, so I'm really excited to get into those. Those are some of my favorite videos to do, even though they take a longer time to edit. So if you enjoy unboxings, if you enjoy vegan and cruelty-free content, if you enjoy seeing a working mom who also loves makeup, and this is my free time, this is my me time. If you want to spend a little bit of your me time with me, and connect. I click subscribe, like, let me know what your favorite thing that I got in my box, or did you just not like anything? So as always, stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy.